Fraudsters often use stolen information to make fake purchases, risking chargebacks and damage to your brand. No worries. FraudLabs Pro now offers a new feature: orders re-authentication by using SMS verification. It is a simple and effective way to verify the customer's identity, ensuring only legitimate transactions go through. How to re-authenticate orders using SMS verification. Log in your FraudLabs Pro merchant area and navigate to the Transactions menu. Select the transaction you want to verify. Under the Order Details tab, click the SMS icon next to the phone number. Then, copy the link and send it to your customer. Once the customer completes the verification, you'll receive a real-time notification via email or Slack. Use SMS verification to protect high-risk transactions and reduce chargebacks with FraudLabs Pro today.